Today, we spend more and more time on the road. The duration and distance of travel are constantly increasing. This often leads to high traffic volumes and an increased risk of rear-end collisions. This is where the predictive emergency braking system from Bosch can effectively support the driver. The system, which is based on the networking of a radar sensor with the electronic stability program or electronic stability control, continuously analyzes the traffic ahead. When at a vehicle speed below 30 km per hour or 18 miles per hour, the emergency braking system detects a critical proximity to a moving or stationary vehicle ahead. It prepares the braking system for potential emergency braking. Thus, full braking power is available valuable hundreds of seconds earlier. If the driver fails to react to the critical situation, the predictive emergency braking system will automatically initiate full braking to potentially avoid the collision. Should a rear-end collision be unavoidable, the intervention can at least minimize the force of the collision, reducing the risk of injury to the passengers in both vehicles. When at a vehicle speed of over 30 km per hour or 18 miles per hour, the predictive emergency braking system detects a critical approach to the vehicle ahead. It prepares the braking system for potential emergency braking. In addition, the system warns the driver by means of a visual and/or audio signal, followed by a brief but clearly perceptible brake jerk. After issuing the collision warning, the emergency braking system automatically initiates partial braking to reduce the speed of the vehicle, giving the driver more time to react. As soon as the driver presses the brake pedal, the predictive emergency braking system provides braking support. The system continuously calculates the degree of vehicle deceleration needed to avoid collision. When the system detects that the driver is not braking hard enough, it increases braking pressure so that the vehicle is brought to a standstill before a collision occurs if possible. Should the driver fail to react at all to the immediate risk of collision and the predictive emergency braking system detects that a rear-end collision is unavoidable, it can automatically initiate full braking. This calls for superior object recognition and collision risk assessment capabilities. An additional surround sensor, such as a video camera, is thus used to enhance the radar sensor. The full braking action significantly lowers vehicle speed at impact, reducing the severity of the accident for the passengers of both vehicles. The predictive emergency braking system from Bosch helps to avoid rear-end collisions and to mitigate the consequences should they occur.
Bosch, invented for life.